Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Midjourney. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing portraits with you. So portraits are probably one of the most popular things used for with Midjourney, and Midjourney do such a good job of generating them. They just look really real, and Midjourney is, I think, one of the best sort of AI softwares out there for portraits and everything. So I think they just look amazing. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So if we use our usual prompt that we've been doing, / imagine prompt, and I'm going to type in astronaut, and then we'll do it again, imagine prompt, and then we're going to do portrait astronaut. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do a portrait. Okay, and then I'm going to do portrait caveman, and then do it again without it and just do caveman, and let's see what Midjourney generates for us. Amazing. Okay, so let's have a look. So Midjourney has created us some images. So a portrait picture is all about capturing the person, their personality, their feelings, their emotions. So as you can see the difference here with the first grid and the second grid. The first grid has got quite a lot going on in the background. It's got a lot of sort of colours. The picture isn't about the subjects. It's not about the person as such. They're not looking at the sort of camera. They're mid action, and so yeah, they're amazing pictures and stuff, but they're not portraits. So whereas if we click on these, you can see we have got the subject looking at the camera. You know, you can get some sort of sense of feeling and emotion from them, and their backgrounds are relatively simple compared to what we were just looking at. So you can see just by using that prompt of portrait, we have generated that real different style of image. Okay, let's go down to the caveman. So again, very similar thing with the caveman here, especially sort of square one there. Lots going on in the background. I think we're going to see what on earth is happening. The second square as well, it's not very sort of focused in on the subject. I quite like square 4 actually. I think that looks pretty amazing. The detail on the caveman, that looks really cool. I quite like that one. But then if we go up here to the portrait, you can see that our subject is the main focus of the picture. So, you know, it's coming across with emotion, feeling, and I think they look really good. So yeah, loving those. Midjourney's done an amazing job again. As you can tell, just loving Midjourney. What you can create is so amazing. So yeah, so just by putting in that word portrait, you get a real sort of different image generated by Midjourney. So yeah, I think they all look amazing. So if this video has helped you out, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel, and we do appreciate it so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.